Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a Z-Wave controller for Home Assistant, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your Z-Wave controller and ensure it's compatible with Home Assistant. Install Home Assistant on your device using a supported operating system. Access the Home Assistant interface via your web browser. Navigate to the Configuration section from the sidebar menu. Click on Integrations to manage your connected devices. In the Integrations page, click the Add Integration button at the bottom right. Search for Z-Wave in the dialog box that appears. Select Z-Wave from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to install the Z-Wave integration. Connect your Z-Wave controller to your Home Assistant device, usually via USB. Home Assistant will automatically detect the controller upon connection. Follow any additional setup prompts that appear on the screen. If necessary, install the Z-Wave JS add-on for added functionality. To do this, open the Supervisor page from the sidebar. Select the add-on store and search for Z-Wave JS. Click on the Z-Wave JS add-on, then click Install. Once installed, configure the add-on according to your specific requirements. Start the Z-Wave JS add-on by clicking on the Start button. Return to the Configuration section and navigate back to Integrations. You may need to click on Configure for your Z-Wave integration to finalize any settings. Pair your Z-Wave devices by putting them into inclusion mode. Back in Home Assistant, click Add Device in the Z-Wave integration options. Follow the instructions on screen to complete the device inclusion process. Verify that your devices are listed in the Z-Wave integration panel. You can control and automate these devices via the Home Assistant dashboard. Check each device's status to ensure they are functioning properly. Make any necessary adjustments in the Home Assistant UI for optimal control. Explore Z-Wave automation options to enhance your smart home experience. Regularly update your Home Assistant in Z-Wave integration to maintain compatibility. Monitor the health of your Z-Wave network to ensure reliable performance. Troubleshoot any issues by consulting the Home Assistant community forums. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.